Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lauren, and today I'm going to be cutting my hair. Yep, you heard that right. I am cutting my hair. I'm probably gonna regret this. But oh well, we're gonna do it anyways. Okay, so I've watched a few YouTube videos and I haven't had my hair cut in like a year. So I thought, why not do it myself? Other people do it and most of the time it turns out fine, so why not try? So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. And I actually have watched a few YouTube videos of like people cutting their own hair, so I kind of know sort of what to do. I'm not a professional, but I just thought it'd be fun to try it out, so that's what we're doing. So I've got some hair cutting scissors, and I've actually cut my hair myself in the past. Like I've cut my side bangs and stuff back when I had side bangs. And the first thing is, okay, the first thing I saw in videos of like people doing, like cutting their own hair, is they said it should either be straight, like straighten it, or it should be wet. I have kind of wavy hair, so I'm just gonna wet my hair a bit. So I have this spray bottle here, and I'm gonna put some water in it. I don't know what I'm doing. We're just gonna do the best we can. How wet does it need to be? I don't know. Should I section it off first and then wet it? I don't know, whatever. Maybe I should section it off first. Okay, so I saw people sectioning off like the top part from the bottom, so I'll do that. Okay, here. It's not gonna be like pretty sections, but you know what? It's just gonna have to do. I'll section off these two pieces. I don't know, because it seems like the right thing to do. Oh, is that too wet? I don't know. Oh, I need a comb. I don't want a comb. Oh no. So this is, can you even see how long my hair is? It's like pretty long. Also, ignore the acne on my face. Also, just want to make sure you guys know I don't know what I'm doing. This is not a tutorial. This is purely for entertainment's sake. Okay. Oh Lord Jesus, help me. Jesus, take the wheel. You can't really see this on top of my sweatshirt. There it is. Okay. That seems good. Okay. I'm afraid. Okay. We're just gonna go for it, right? Yeah. Okay. That I'll just kind of take this. Oh, okay. It's happening. Oh, was that too much? And then I'm gonna do that other thing that people do, where they like, they go and like cut like that. Whoa. You know what I mean. Do you? I don't know. I'm just kind of, you know, going for it. I don't know what I'm doing. Now I'm going to spray the other side, and we're gonna cut on that side. Just gonna wing it. Does that need to be cut shorter? I don't know. How do you tell? I don't know. Maybe if you, I've seen people do this and then they like to see if it's the same or something. I don't know. That seems good enough. I don't know. Okay. I didn't think this through, did I? Oh shoot. Okay, so I cut the bottom. Okay, so I'm just gonna section it off a bit higher this time because I don't know what else to do. Okay, so now I've got a bit more hair. Okay, I should probably do sections. I don't know what I should do. I didn't plan this very well. Have some fun with it. So I'm just gonna section this off. So this little section is put away for right now, and I'm gonna work on this side. Oh gosh. Oh. Can I even tell where I cut the other hair? No.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
I'm gonna take a break and I'll be right back. I'm trying to think of a better way to do this. I'll be right back. Hello guys, I'm back. I decided to wet all the hair in my head and just section it off in two sides and cut it like that because I thought that would be a bit easier. Will it be? I don't know. We're about to find out. Okay, I'm just gonna tie this up for the moment. Okay, let's cut this front section first. So I'm probably gonna cut this a little bit off. Let's hope that was correct. Oh, wait, I have an idea, okay. What if I do like this? Oh shoot, I don't think I cut with my left hand. I'll do this way. Am I doing this right? Shoot. I am definitely messing this up big time. Oh, shoot. Oh well, it's just hair. Hair will grow. I cut a lot of hair all the way. Oh jeez, oh no. Okay, I'm done. I can't. Oh boy, oh boy. It's not that bad. It could have been a lot worse, to be honest. Okay. I'm gonna put this piece up and then I'm just gonna trim a little bit on the other side. And I'm gonna take this side back down though to make sure it's like the same length. So, got this side up now. Now we're gonna take this side down. And I'm just gonna trim this one a little bit. Okay, so I trimmed that up to like right there. And we're gonna see and make sure it's at least kind of the same length. Okay, so I am done cutting my hair now. I'm not quite sure how it turned out. I think it's pretty even for the most part. The only part I'm kind of concerned about is I tried to do like kind of like side bangs or like kind of try to layer it into the rest of the hair, like can you see right here? So I don't really know how that turned out. I'll just have to wait and see. So I'm gonna let my hair dry and then I'll come back and show you guys I guess the final result. I might just end up needing to go get my hair cut by a professional. I had fun doing this though, like honestly, you know, it was fun. I am going to show you guys how much hair I cut off though, because I thought that'd be interesting. This is in my sink. That is about how much hair I cut off. And I used scissors and multiple hairbrushes and stuff. So, yeah. I would say this is probably like one of the longest pieces I cut off. I don't know. You know, it's kind of gross. Okay, but anyways. I'm gonna come back, show you guys how it turned out, you know? Hopefully it turned out okay, I don't know. Hello guys. It is later in the day, the same day, and my hair is dried off a little bit. Can you kind of see this part? I cut it way too short. I just kind of, I don't know, I went scissor happy and just started cutting everything and it looks not that great. I don't even know if it's even in the back. I don't know. I mean, I've still got the length on it at least. So that's something. This part over here, up at the front, is pretty short. I mean, it's not like, yeah, it is pretty short. So it's kind of mostly dried. I mean, I feel like if I like do this, I don't know. It doesn't look that bad. Like it's bad though. I don't know. I mean, it could be a lot worse. It could be a lot worse, to be fair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more if you haven't already. And until my next video, bye!